Ahoy, shipmates! We're here this very wet and windy morning to have a look at the one innovation, the Ocean Network Express Innovation Container Ship, the third largest container ship in the world. And it's being completely blocked by the Red Funnel Ferry. Just having one of those days. Tried to drone a Disney Dream earlier and lost my drone, fell out the sky into the water, and now the ferry's blocking my view. Right, that's better. Now we can see the Ocean Network Express innovation coming through the drizzle of a lovely English summer here in the port of Southampton. Total capacity is 24,136 TEU, or 20-foot equivalent units. This is spread across 24 rows and 25 bays to maximise capacity, with over 2,000 TEUs having plugs for your refrigeration units. Bow windshield is installed for aerodynamics, that's that big white thing at the front. The hull has been designed for optimum performance. The main engine is also fitted with many energy-saving features. It also has the best performing anti-foul paint on the market, of course in that rather fetching colour of magenta, not pink. Coming in at 399.95 metres long, with a beam of 61.4 metres and a draft of 16.5 metres. Ocean Network Express, or ONE, has become the latest container ship line to begin operations of the MegaMax container ship, exceeding the 24,000 TEU threshold. With a carrying capacity of 20% larger than the previously largest ship in its fleet, ONE joins Mediterranean Shipping Company (MSC) and Orient Overseas Container Line (OOCL) as the first carriers to operate the new largest class of box ships. Built by Imarari Shipping Building in Japan, the ONE innovation is the first of 6 ultra-large container ships ordered for the fleet in December 2020 as part of ONE's next phase of growth. The shipyard and the line are highlighting the advanced designs of the new class of ships, providing the ability to bring increased economies of scale to the operation while lowering energy use and emissions. The ONE innovation has a carrying capacity and rating of 24,136 TEU, making it marginally smaller than OOCL's class at 24,188 TEU, and MSC's largest vessels, which have a capacity of 24,346 TEU. The ONE innovation is 223,200 deadweight and is registered in the port of Liberia. The dimensions of the vessels are limited by port capabilities and the Suez Canal, so like the other ULCVs, or ultra-large container vessels, the ship is 1,312 feet in length with a 201-foot beam. It will operate with a crew of 34. Analysis technology was used to develop an optimal hull form and bow shape to achieve maximum efficiency at the speed and draft to be most frequently used by the vessel, along with energy-saving devices including the shape of the rudder. They are also fitted with hybrid EGCS SOX scrubbers. Everyone likes a good scrubber. A bow windshield was also employed for efficiency. The shipyard highlights that it also makes it possible to load containers on the mooring deck level to improve loadability. The vessels are also the first application of brittle crack arrest technology for extra thick, high-strength steel plates to a vessel exceeding 20,000 TEU, which improves safety without sacrificing loading efficiency. Each vessel will have 24 rows of containers, each with 25 bays and reefer plugs for over 2,000 TEU. The vessels are powered by MAN B&W's latest electronic controlled Mark 10.6 engine and also use inverter control for the cooling seawater pump and engine room fan. This will further improve the energy efficiency of the vessels, while an integrated navigation system and all-weather bridge improve operations. They're also making extensive use of a CCTV camera system to improve safety throughout the navigation support as well as monitor the engine room. Well, I think you can all agree, shipmates, it's quite a spectacular vessel. I shall purchase a new drone and get some proper aerial shots and some better photographs. Hope you enjoyed that one. Till next time, shipmates.